Hello kids, good morning. Are you all fine? Okay. Have you all written your notes in your notebook? Is it? Okay. If so, then it's good, or else you have to write it fast. Okay. So already we have completed 2 units and you will have unit test suddenly. Okay. So I will inform you the date later. So have to be ready for your unit test. Okay, not only writing, you have to study, only then you can attend the unit test. Okay, so study your lessons properly, because I will inform you suddenly about the test. So in the last time you cannot complete every portion, so keep that in mind and study your daily portions. Okay, yes, okay. So we have already completed 2 units in our honeydew book. So today we are coming to the new book, that is your supplementary reader, right? It so happened you have a book like that, right? Is it? You all know, right? Okay, okay. So today we are going to study from supplementary reader book. Okay, so we are going to study the first unit, that is how the camel got his hump. Okay, this is a short story and it will be very interesting and easy for you. Okay, so are you all ready to listen to me? Is it? Okay. So this is about camel. From the topic itself you can understand, right? So this is about camel. Okay. Camel and how he got his hump. You all know the hump, right? Is it? You all know? Yeah. The bend, right? So in the back of the camel you can find a curved shape, a bend, right? So that's the hump. Okay. Okay. So we shall see. Okay. Okay. So I'll tell you the story. So in the beginning, when the world was very new, and at that time all animals started working to humans, right? So now also we know, right? Certain animals will work for humans. Like what are the animals which work for humans? Have you seen any animals working for humans? Yes, right. Yeah, we have seen elephant, right? So it will carry the logs of wood, right? Then dogs, right? It will guard your house, right? And then yeah, cow, ox. Yeah, there are certain animals working for humans, right? Mostly many animals will work for humans, right? Not wild, maybe domesticated animals will definitely work for humans, right? Okay, so we are going to see. Okay, so in the beginning of the world, and all animals are working for humans. Okay, but at that time what happened is there was a camel. Okay, so this camel, he where he lives is he lived in the middle of the forest. Sorry, desert. Okay, so he is living in the desert area. So will the desert area be very cool or it will be hot? It will be very hot, right? It will be very sunny and we cannot go anywhere to hide for shade, right? So in that area this camel is living. Okay, so this camel is living in the desert, we all know, right? Even now you can see in the desert area there are so many camels there, right? So in the beginning of the world when God created, so this camel is living in the desert area. Okay, so he is living in the desert area, and why he is living there is, the only reason is he doesn't want to work. Okay, so he is very lazy and he doesn't want to work for humans. That's why he is lying in the desert. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so he stays in the forest and he is eating sticks and thorns. Okay, thorns, you know, right? So some sticks and thorns, he's just eating there and he is living there in the forest. The only reason is he doesn't want to work. Okay, that's the reason he is staying in the desert. Okay, so when anyone come and talk to him, he used to only replace hump, hump. Okay, the only reply we'll get from him is hump. Whenever someone asks anything, he'll just say hump. Okay, now all animals are seeing him. He is just not working. He is very lazy. He is in the desert. And if someone asked about why you are sitting like this, he used to just replace hump. Okay. So now the very first day of the work, Monday morning. Okay. So Monday morning they are coming for work. And first who came is the horse came. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. So now this camel is lying in the desert, right? So he is lying in the desert, and now in the Monday morning, the horse came there. Okay, so the horse came with saddle on his back. So what is mean by saddle? SADDLE, saddle. Okay, so saddle means seat on the horse. So in this horse you can note, right? Wait, I'll show you. So this one, wait ma, this one. Okay, so this is the saddle. Okay, this a cover is there, no, seat is there, no. So this is the saddle. Okay, okay, you all know, right? So this is a saddle. So now the horse came here and he is asking the camel, camel, come out. See, we are all working. Why are you so lazy? You just come and work with us. Okay, so we all are working, so you just come with us and you work. Why are you lazy? You just come to work. Like that, this horse is asking. And the camel, already I told you, right? He used to always answer as hump, right? So he is saying hump. Okay, he said to the horse, and he said hump. Only the reply is hump. Okay, so the horse went away and he told the man, see, we are all working, but the camel is not at all working. Okay, so he is complaining to the man and he is going. And now the next day, that is Monday, Tuesday. Okay, now it's Tuesday, and now the dog came with a stick in its mouth. Okay, this dog is also working. Okay, so the dog came with a stick in his mouth and said, camel, you just come, you also carry something, we all are working, why are you sitting alone and taking rest? You just come, you to come and take something with us. Okay, you work with us. Now again the camel replied hump. Okay, so the dog got angry and it went away, and it this dog also, it complained to the man. Okay, so the dog is complaining to the man. And the next who came is the ox came. Okay, now the ox came, and this ox have yoke on his neck. Okay, yoke. So this ox have yoke on his neck. So what is yoke? I'll show you. So this is yoke. Okay, this one. Okay, the cow has this ox have something in the neck, no, this wooden piece. Okay, so this is the yoke. Okay, now this ox came, and he's also saying, see, camel, come, we all are working, see, I am going to plow the field, you just come, you also do the same. Okay, now this ox is telling, come and work with us. Okay, but the camel is really not interested, and we all know, right, what it will say? Hump. Yes, he'll say this hump. And again now this ox also, he got angry and he don't want to talk to camel anymore. So what he did is, he just went and complained to the man. Okay, see, this camel is in the desert, he's not at all working, we all are working. So this happened on Wednesday. Okay, so for 3 days they are not, this camel is not at all working. Okay, okay, so at the end of the day, what they did is, the man called the horse, dog and ox. Okay, so the man called these three peoples. Okay, horse, dog and ox. Then these three, he called the three these three animals, and this man is saying, I'm so sorry for you, my dear. You have so many works pending because the camel is not at all doing work. The one thing you have to do is, anyway he won't work, that's why you just leave him alone, let him be in the desert. Okay, you don't want to ask anything to him, but you have to work for double time. Okay, only then you can fill the space of the camel's work. Right now there is a pending work for camel, right? So camel work is pending, so to complete that you have to work, you three have to work double work. Okay, double time. Okay, so will this all three be happy for it? No, right? Already they are working very hard, and now he is saying you have to work more time, right? So they all got angry. Okay, so what they did is, they held a panchayat. Okay, on the edge of the desert. Panchayat means, you know, right? Meeting. Yeah. So they held a meeting, and they are all talking what to do about this. This camel is very lazy, right? Like that they are all talking. At that time this camel came there and he's just laughing, saying hump, and he went away. Okay, okay, now they are thinking what to do, and suddenly who appeared is the Djinn. Okay, so you know Djinn or Djinn. Okay, so this is the Djinn. Okay, So you all know, right? You might have seen in cartoons, right? So jinn, it's pronounced as jinn, okay? Jinn, okay, jinn. And somewhat spelled as genie, like that they'll say, okay? You all know when you are, this genie word is very familiar for you, right? So this is jinn, okay? So D is silent, jinn, okay? So this is, you know, right? It's a spirit and it has so many powers, right? So you have seen in cartoons, right? Yeah, so this may be in the form of human or animal. Okay, so now this jinn appeared, and this jinn is the charge of desert. Okay, he is in charge of the desert, and he came rolling in the dust. Okay, he just comes like coming suddenly in a magical power. He is coming. So this jinn is appearing, and Haas is asking, so you are the jinn of the all deserts, right? So okay, you are the jinn of the desert, and now tell me one thing. This Haas is asking, okay, now tell me one thing, is it good for anyone to be very idle? Idle means lazy, okay? Is it, he's asking, this Haas is asking to the jinn, is it lazy, it is good for someone to be lazy? No, the genie or jinn, okay? Now he replied, no, this is not good. Okay, now the Haas said, yes, you can see in the middle of the desert, you can see a thing which has a long neck and long legs, okay? He has a very long neck and very long leg, and he hasn't done any stroke means achievement or work, okay? He hasn't done any work since Monday morning, okay? Since Monday morning he is not at all working, okay? He is very lazy. So the jinn thought, okay, that's none other than he is the camel, okay? He is the camel who is just staying on the desert, and he is just sleeping and eating something, okay? So this jinn is asking, so did you ask anything to him? What did he say? Like this jinn is asking, and he said, yes, we asked. He's just replying hump always. He's not at all replying anything properly, and he's just saying hump. Okay. So okay, now all are very angry, and the jinn said, okay, very good, no problem. I'll hump him, and you will, if you no problem, you just wait for a minute, I'll hump him, okay? So I'll hump him means nothing, I'll deal with him, okay? I'll see, I'll look after him, no problem, you don't worry, like this jinn is saying. And he is just rolling and going to where? To meet the camel, okay? So when he is going to meet the camel, this camel, what he is doing, no? He's just seeing his reflection in the water, okay? He is going near the water, and he is just seeing the reflection in the water, okay? Okay, now this jinn calls him, my friend, okay, what's this, why are you why I am hearing like this? Everyone are complaining me that you are not at all working, you are lazy, and you are sitting simply. Why? What is this? Why I am hearing like this? This jinn is asking. Okay, now he is not at all replying anything, and now the jinn sat down with a chin in his hand, okay? So he is sitting and thinking what to do with this camel. Okay, so because now this camel is not talking, he is just looking at in the water, right? So okay, so you have not done 3 works since Monday. You are not at all working. So Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, for 3 works you are not at all complete, right? So you are very idle. So now this jinn is saying to him like that, okay? So he is thinking what to do with this camel, okay? So for this again, this camel replied hump, okay? For everything he used to just say as hump, okay? So at once when this camel said hump, something strange happened, okay? So what happened is suddenly at the back of the camel there is something puffing up, okay? Somewhat like a great big hump came there, okay? It is the back of the camel is puffing up into a great big hump, okay? Now the camel has the hump. Before it does not have the hump, but now this camel got the hump, okay? So what's the reason is I'll tell you, okay? So before that, this jinn is asking, did you see that? You are seeing the reflection in your water, right? Can you see what's on your back? You have got a hump, right? It's because you are always saying hump, okay? So it's your own hump, okay? Own hump. And why I have given you is today is Thursday. So for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday he is not at all working, right? So today is Thursday, and you have done no work since Monday. From Monday onwards you are not at all doing any work for 3 days. That's the reason you have got the hump, and with this hump on your back you have to work. Okay, now this camel is asking, oh, how can you work with a hump? It's very heavy and I can't work with it. Okay, so he's refusing to do work. But the jinn told, see, with this hump you can work for 3 long days without eating. You can work. Okay, so all the held whatever you eat, the fat, everything will be stored in the hump, and no problem if you did not eat for 3 days also. Okay, no problem. So all your health, your fat, everything will be stored there, so no problem. So you can work for 3 days, and you have to work. Go with other animals and work. Like this the jinn replied to him. So now no other way, he has to go for work, right? Because he has got a hump also. So this camel went with others, and from that day onwards this camel has got the hump. Okay, now he always have a hump at the back of him, and it's because he has not worked for 3 days when God created him. Okay, so the first 3 days he was very lazy, and the reason and that's the reason why he is still having the hump. Even now whenever you see a camel, you can see the camel with a hump, right? And it's just a story. Okay, don't believe, it's just a story. Now this other is just coming to say that it's because of your laziness you have got the hump. Okay, okay, so do you all understand? So dear kids, what did you understand from this? So what did you understand from this? So in this picture you can see clearly the hump, right? Yeah, okay. Okay. So what did you understand from this? Should not be lazy, okay? You have to work hard, okay? Only then you can achieve in your life, right? So you have to be very active, okay? Don't be lazy, okay? Okay. Okay, so this is about today's portion. So get ready for unit test, okay? So already we are completed the second unit, so you have to be very you have to be ready, okay? Only then if I give you unit test, suddenly you can write the test, okay? So read from page number 1 to 5, okay? Okay, read from page number 1 to 5. Only then you can understand more, right? Not the difficult words. See the meaning in dictionary, okay? Okay, so don't waste your time. Do your duties daily, okay? Whenever a PDF a worksheet is sent for you, do the works there and write the question answers in your notebook, okay? So for this supplementary reader you have to take a new note, okay? So you have to take a new note, okay? So take a new note for supplementary reader, and you have to write the question answers which I give to you in the new note, okay? Don't forget, okay? So is everything okay for you? Okay, so if you have any doubt you can just call me, okay? Okay, so thank you so much for your patience listening. Thank you so much, dear kids. Bye. We shall meet on next class, okay?